In this video, I will share with you how you can create a user in MySQL and grant them permissions. So let's create a connection to our server. You want to connect as a user that has super permissions like the root user. Then you're going to go to administration, then double click users and privileges, and then here you're going to select add account. So here you'd specify the username, choose the authentication type. SHA-256 is recommended, however I'm just going to be using the standard. Then you specify a password for the user. Now when you go on account limits, you can set different limits that you want the account to have. So for example, within an hour, this user can only execute 10 query. You can set that limit here. And if you only wanted to have a maximum connection of 2 to the server, then you can also set it here, right? It tells you per hour. Now for the concurrent is where you can set it to whether 1 or 2 connections simultaneously. Now let's go to administrative roles. So these are the different roles that you can grant the user. So these roles allow the user to basically carry out tasks at the server level. So for example, if you grant the DBA role, you'll see that it grants a lot of privileges that the user will be able to do. So if you uncheck that, and let's say DB manager, only some of the global privilege are selected. Now you can grant permissions on an individual schema or database. So here you can go ahead and select add entry. Then you'll need to choose the schema that you want to grant the permission, right? So let's say the selected schema, okay. And then from here I can grant the permission on the database that I want to grant the user. Once you select apply, the changes will be saved. So here's my new user, and if I want, I can go ahead and log into my server with this new user. And that's basically it. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.